Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch GT to a Samsung phone. First, please ensure your Samsung phone's Bluetooth is enabled. It's also vital that your Huawei Watch GT has at least 50% battery life. Next, you will need to download and install the Huawei Health app directly from the Google Play Store. This application is essential for the connection process. Once the Huawei Health app is installed, open it on your Samsung phone. Look for the Devices tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen, and then tap Add Device. From the categories that appear, select Smartwatches. You will then see a list. Choose your exact Huawei Watch GT model to proceed with pairing. The app will begin searching for available Huawei devices nearby. Your Huawei Watch GT should appear on your phone screen after a few seconds. Tap on your watch's name to initiate the connection. You will then receive a pairing request on both your phone and the watch. Confirm this request on both devices to finalize the link. After successful pairing, your phone will prompt you to grant several permissions to the Huawei Health app. Please allow access for location, contacts, and notifications to ensure full functionality. Your watch will then perform its first data synchronization, which might take a few moments. Once complete, you can explore the app settings to personalize watch faces, alarms, and other features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.